terrifying moment when your garage door refuses to budge. It's not just inconvenient, it's a security risk. Most homeowners don't realize their door springs are silently deteriorating until complete failure strikes. Our premium garage door springs at Express Garage Door Services don't just open doors, they provide peace of mind. Made from high-grade tempered steel, they withstand 17,000+ cycles without deforming. Our certified technicians ensure perfect installation every time, backed by 5-year or lifetime warranties. Don't wait for that heart-stopping moment when your door fails. Call 713-398-4133 for the springs professionals trust.